Welcome to the AI Viral Content Creation Masterclass. Now, prepare to have your mind completely blown in the next few lessons of this course, as I had my mind blown when I was studying all of the elements that we go through in this course right here. Now, in this short first video, we're going to be elaborating on the class project that you're called to complete. And check out what your class project is. Your class project is to utilize the first AI tool that we're going to be going through in the first practical lesson of this course and actually create a short 10 to 30-second video with your cloned AI avatar. Yes, you heard correctly. We're going to be cloning yourself, right? And you will be called to produce a short, again, a very short video of your cloned self going through a script that we'll be generating together. So the successful class project completion includes you pasting the link of your cloned video in the class project description of this, again, course right here. I will be going through, again, all of the class project submissions. So this is also a cool way to engage with me as your instructor. And trust me, the AI cloning feature, it's going to completely blow your mind. All right. So I'm going to see you in the first lesson of this course. Thank you so much for being here.